Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report, sponsored by Delta Data Exchange. Just 1 minute announcement. I'm coming to Mumbai this Saturday for a workshop. And usually my workshop used to be very full in Mumbai, but this time the response has not been really very good. So let me tell you, when the markets are tough, that is the time you have to learn new skills. So if you're interested in learning new skills and surviving this market and making money, please consider attending our workshop. You can log into workshop.prsundar.com or you can check the description, my office numbers you can call. Okay, coming back to the market. So, yesterday I just tweeted either Trump will destroy America or America will destroy Trump. So, on one side, there is a public unrest and, a lot of processions and this and that. And on the other side, Trump keeps talking all kinds of nonsense things. Now, whenever there is a danger of a higher inflation, right? So, the Reserve Bank will not cut the rates, or central banks will not cut the rates. So now, because of this Trump tariff, the prices are likely to shoot up by 25%, 50%. So definitely the inflation will hit high. And now he is asking Fed chairman to reduce the interest rates. So what will happen? That will stroke the inflation even higher. So, these presidents or prime ministers, I don't know what is their educational qualification, what is their experience, they don't listen to the economists. There is not even a single economist in US who said that, economy will be good because of this tariff and other things. So now he started threatening if Fed chairman doesn't reduce the rates, so he might consider removing him also, right? What has happened to Urjit Patel here, right? So same kind of things. Politicians are same all over the world. Now, if that happens, so inflation is likely to shoot up. I can tell you it can even surpass the 2022 highest inflation of 8.9%. So US is definitely in trouble. But the question is whether other countries will follow them or not. So yesterday, US markets has fallen about 3%, but Asian markets are not reacting. Look at the GIFT Nifty. The GIFT Nifty is trading 30, 40 points higher, right? So therefore, still people believe that, in this war between Trump and US people, the Trump will lose. Okay. One day he may say, people don't understand, therefore I passed these decisions for 90 days. The next day he say, I want to help phone manufacturers, so therefore I'm reducing the tax to zero. So what happened? The previous regime put the tax at zero. You said, no, this is so unfair. Other countries are taking US people for royal right. Then I want to increase the tax by 50%, right? And now you say, it is 0%. You want to help the phone manufacturers. So when you increase the tax by 50% also, people should appreciate you because you are taking care of the US people. When you reduce the tax to zero, also US people should appreciate you because you are taking care of the phone manufacturers, right? So these are all the funny things, that happens all over the world. Okay, so let us not talk too much about US politics. But here, our market is looking fantastically bullish, right? Yesterday also, both FIAs and DAs were net buyers, right? And the next stop, logically is 24,800, but that may not happen in a day or two, or who knows, it may happen also. Like from the downside to upside, at least there were 3 trading sessions where the Nifty has shot up more than 400, 500 points, right? But anyway, now there are no triggers, okay? So the next major trigger is the Reliance Industries results. And in between some Nestle, Hindustan Unilever, but anyway, FMCG results are not likely to be good, okay? But anyway, in an uptrending market, there won't be any craziness for FMCG stocks, right? So because of that, from the corporate results point of view, the next big trigger is Reliance Industries. That result, the date has not been announced. But Axis Bank result is there, I think, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I have to check, So that may have some little impact. So otherwise, the markets might consolidate. And if the markets consolidate, if market falls a little bit, so that is a time to cut your short positions if you are having and or add long positions. So now we have only 3 more days. The way markets are looking, right? Looks like it's going to be 24,000 to 24,500 is the range. So now I'm coming back to my box theory, right? So if the markets are consolidating, if markets is in a normal market, then the box theory will work. If suddenly Trump comes in, then no box theory will work, right? So, the markets, it has shot up more than 2,000 points. So, ideally, the market should consolidate at least for a few days. So, if the markets consolidate towards the end of the expiry, because of time value, people will make money very, very fast. So, let us hope that, market consolidate for some more time. So, before breaking out. So, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.